sit down video. Seen this background for a very long time, so I thought let me just film a video, just a bit of a chill video. And before I begin with the video, let me just thank you all for your wishes and congratulation messages and all of that, because if you haven't caught up with my previous videos, I got engaged, yes, and it was on the 18th of September. So yeah, today after I think a month, I'm actually doing an actual sit down video. So thank you so much for all the love and all the the best wishes that you all sent me. It was really sweet. Now today's video, as you all know, I put up a status on my Instagram to send me assumptions, what you all think about me, and I will answer them if it's true or it's not. I did get a lot of responses, but I'm only going to answer obviously just a few of them, because I don't want to this video to go like a one hour long video, but I'm going to answer just a few which I found interesting. So let's begin with that. Okay, so I have all your questions over here, and I'm just going to go in any order. Okay, I'm not going to pick, and I'm not going to say you guys' names just because I don't really know if you want me to say your names, but if you do want me to say your names and then your comments, then I can do that. Okay, so starting with the first response, you are an extremely social person. The person who actually sent me this knows the answer to it, but because you sent this to me, I am definitely going to answer it. And the answer to this assumption is no. I might seem like a very social person, but I'm actually not. I cannot socialize with people like a normal person can. It's just very difficult for me. I feel like it's a lot of pressure, but once I get to know you, then yes, then I'm cool with you and everything. But before that, for me to actually get to know you, get to actually come to speak with you, it's very difficult. I will not come and speak with you firsthand. You will have to do that. I mean, I'm just saying, not as a bad person, but I just cannot socialize with people. I'll go and sit in one corner alone also, I'm fine with that, but I cannot socialize with people. It's just very difficult for me. Why does my phone keep going off? Okay, next one, you have a missing toe. Do I mean, you all have never seen my feet, right? I mean, actually in my pictures you all can. I don't have a missing toe, I have all toes. Okay. Next one is, your middle name is Samosa. Really? My middle name is Eden Simona Bastian. Okay, and this one was a joke actually when I was a child. I think I explained the story on my previous video, Who Knows Me Better video, where why my cousins used to call me Samosa. So apparently it rhymes with Simona. They have a different explanation to it, so I'm just not gonna get into it. But it is not Samosa, it is Simona. Okay, next one. You are into clean eating and regularly working out. I so wish. I haven't gone to the gym in 4 months, and I have put on in places I didn't know I could put on. But no, I love my body. I'm not saying anything, but I'm just saying like I would want myself to look fitter. But yeah, regularly working out is no. Eating clean, no, because I love my food, and if I feel like eating something at a particular time, I want to eat it. Otherwise, I'm just very cranky. Like, I cannot compromise on my food, and I cannot follow a fixed diet. I just cannot do it. So, no to both the assumptions. The next one is, you love dogs. Yes, I love dogs. It's actually a very funny story, because I was always a cat person. I have a cat. Her name is Caramel. Okay, and I just love cats. Okay, I really didn't like dogs, but my boyfriend, I mean now my fiance, he has 2 dogs. They are half huskies, and they are adorable. Like they are adorable. Both of them made me change my mind about how I feel about dogs. For me right now, I think I'm more of a dog person than a cat person. So I love dogs. Yes, that's true. Okay, next one is, you're a spontaneous person. Actually, I don't really know if I am a spontaneous person, because I mean, like, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think it's a medium, because Sometimes if you make a plan just on the spot, I might be okay with it. And sometimes if you make a plan, I'm like, no, I have to get ready, or I have to do this, or I have to do that. So probably I don't even really know it. Maybe it just depends on what we're going to be doing. If it's really interesting and I really want to do it, then probably yes, I'll be spontaneous. But otherwise, I think I am more of a planner. I like to plan things out and know, what's going to be happening, because I get anxiety about things I don't know. So that's the reason I can never have surprises, because I just want to know what's happening, that'll just keep me at peace. That's just my thing. Next one is, you were my bench partner. Yes, Kanchan, I was your bench partner. Like, we were in school, we were schoolmates, and we were bench partners. Is it called bench partners, or is it called, is it called bench partners? I don't know. But yes, we were. Another one, my assumption about you is you are very sophisticated. I wouldn't say very sophisticated, but there are certain things. I mean, a lot of people say I have a lot of nakaras. A lot of people say that I'm, what do you say, too high maintenance or whatever crap. But actually, it's not like that. I just, for me, it's like I like certain things done in a certain way, and if it's not, it just makes me, I just get irritated if it's not done in a certain way. Apart from that, sophisticated, maybe in certain areas, in terms of when I'm like the way I dress up, or the way I look, or the way the places I go to, maybe. But otherwise, I'm a very decent person. Yeah, I don't have so many things. People just maybe looking at me, they think like, they have a lot of assumptions about me, like you're like this or you're like that. But it's not like that. I'm very simple otherwise. Because sometimes I have thoda nakaras. So I mean, every girl has nakaras, and they should, but not that much, huh? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, next one. Not an assumption, but everyone told me you were bitchy until I met you, and I'm glad I did. Heart back to you. I know a lot of people think I am bitchy. I think it's probably because of my face or the way I don't smile at everybody. So I think that's the reason people think like that. People actually have a lot of first impressions about me, and then when they actually meet me, they think, oh no, it was actually wrong, you're actually a very sweet person. But the problem with me is like, it's not a problem really, but it's just maybe the reason why people think that way is because I don't really talk a lot, I don't really mix around with a lot of people at the first time. So when people look at me, I don't keep smiling at random people. Like, if you're smiling at me, why will I smile at you? I don't even know you. You might be a serial killer for all I know. But yeah, so that's why people think like, I am too stuck up, or have an attitude, or I'm proud about something or whatever. But it's not like that. It's just that I don't know you in the first time, so I will not be very open. Once I get comfortable with you, then I probably might just become your best friend. I don't know. So yeah, that's why people assume that. Next one. You look like the Harley to my Joker. Really? Do I? I don't know. I think maybe if I tie those, those ponies, then and I'll, just make some, put a lot of makeup, then I might look like that. But I really don't see myself as looking like Harley. Do I look like Harley? Let's see. What? I don't know. But I think that's a compliment, right? So I'll take it. Thank you. Next one. I always thought you have an attitude, and don't reply. Again, like I said, if I don't know you, then I might just not reply to you. But and I don't know why some people just take it so offensively, like they are like, oh, you're so busy, you don't reply. It's not like I'm busy and I don't reply, and it's not even that I'm ignoring you or something. It's just that I wouldn't rather message you or reply to you if I don't really know you. You know what I'm saying? I'm just very closed like that. I'm not very comfortable with chatting with people I don't know. So it's a little bit difficult for me. But when you do, send me something or ask me a question or reply to my status, I will definitely reply to that. I just cannot start any conversation by myself firsthand. So that's just how I am, I don't do it on purpose. I'm so sorry that you feel like that, but it's nothing against you. It's just that I cannot start a conversation with someone that I don't know. Next. You like beaches. Most of your pics in beachside nice group you have. thank you so much. But I don't really like beaches. I'm a person who tends to get hungry very soon, and unfortunately on beaches there is no place where you can actually eat. At least there used to be before, like small places, but I don't think now, over there where I mean the beaches over here have any places to sit and eat. I mean there are, okay, there are, but what if you're really far away from that place, okay, and then I'm hungry? What am I seeing? Just sand and water all around the place, and I don't know, yeah, it's just very messy. So I have my nakras, like I said earlier. So I don't really like beaches, but I will go to beaches. Yes, I like, it's fun sometimes when I'm in the mood of it, but when I'm not, I just want to relax or something, then I will not go to the beach, because I start feeling hungry and then it's too hot and then my hair is going to get messed up. So all the girly things that come along with it. So not a fan, but I'll go. It's fine. I'm okay with it. Like if everybody's going, then I'll go. I will not do nakra. The last one, you are like honey in a beehive. I don't know if you're assuming that about me or you are telling me that I am honey in a beehive. I will guarantee you that I'm not honey in any beehive. But thank you so much for all of these responses. It was really fun to, actually I like to do such kind of videos. I just like to see what you all think. I just keep like, sometimes you don't really know what people think about you until you actually ask them, what did you think about me, or what are your impressions about me, or first impressions about me, or your assumptions about me. Sometimes you can actually learn what other people think about you and kind of change certain things for the better. So I think these kind of videos are really fun. I'm so sorry for the questions that I've not answered. It would just become a very long video, but I will definitely do such kind of videos more often. Let me know what kind of videos you want to watch. If you have any suggestions or any kind of prank videos or testing videos or review videos, anything like that, just let me know so I can try and do the videos for you guys. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the love and all the support that you've been sending me through my DMs. I am so overwhelmed with all of that. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do so. It will really help. And also please make sure to like my video if you like it, if you really like it, okay. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.